Prevention and management for diabetic nephropathy. Ways to prevent diabetic nephropathy is by increasing regular physical activity. This will help you keep a healthy weight and blood pressure. Also, preventing or quitting smoking is highly recommended as it can harm your kidneys and worsen existing damages. Please keep regular diabetes management checkups, and if recommended by a healthcare expert, more frequent appointments to monitor for any issues. Most importantly, work with your doctor to address any conditions, such as high blood pressure, that increases your risk of kidney disease. Ways to manage diabetic nephropathy is by following the directions on the packaging of non-prescription pain medicines, as it might cause kidney damage in patients with diabetic nephropathy. Lastly, your diet is one of the greatest ways to improve diabetic nephropathy. Proper kidney function can be aided by including fruits, veggies, and whole grains in your diet. For more resources and information on diabetic nephropathy, please check our link tree.